Kebji weather overview. Peak wind gusts since midnight from Storm Team 4 exceeded expectations. Look at that. Stony Brook, 63 mile an hour wind gust. JFK coming in with 47 miles an hour. And this was a truly wintry day. I mean, we didn't see temperatures get out of the 40s, and we had these crazy winds, courtesy of that storm that went by yesterday, and it developed strongly off the northeast coast, and with it came the winds of today. And it'll still be a bit breezy tomorrow, but not quite as bad, thankfully, with the winds. And the temperatures are actually going to be a little bit more manageable as well, with highs getting up closer to 50. Um, Here are the temperatures for tomorrow. We are looking at area-wide readings around 50, and then we start a warming trend. Wednesday up around 60 with highs. Thursday even higher with temperatures in the mid 60s. So quite a lovely end to the week. We're going to make up for this crazy weather day in spades come this week, basically starting tomorrow and getting better still. Look at by Friday, highs near 70. That's about 10 to 15 degrees above where it should be, and dry weather lasting into the weekend. Saturday and now Sunday with temperatures once again near 70. So this November is getting off to a very mild start, and there is not a lot of rain to speak of in the forecast. If we look at the upper air map off the GFS model, this is what we have now. It's sort of a chaotic situation in the Northeast with a deep trough, negatively tilted, leaning out into the Atlantic Ocean. But watch what happens, a complete reversal by the time we get to Thursday. In fact, the whole lower 48 states is enveloped in pretty benign weather pattern as this big area of high pressure just really hangs on. And then we notice that more active weather starts to get going out west, but that doesn't make any inroads east of the Rocky Mountains through the 7 to 10 day period. In fact, our weather stays the same into next weekend, and you can see a big dominating area of high pressure is overhead, and not much of the weather pattern really changes. Here we are all the way out to next Tuesday, the 10th, and we still have this benign weather pattern. So what you can expect is a lot of dry weather. In fact, the Weather Prediction Center has nary a raindrop through the 7 day period. Look at this. It's been a long time since we haven't even been in the lighter shade of green off the Weather Prediction Center. The bulk of the rain stays over deep southeast Florida with some tropical moisture getting in there, and then out west in the Pacific Northwest with a storm coming in. But again, those storms and that disturbed weather never really makes inroads east of the Rocky Mountains. So day to day off the GFS, this is tomorrow. You notice the lines of equal pressure, and that indicates that it's still breezy here. So hold on to your hat tomorrow for one more day, but then the winds relax. And as we go through the period, not much happening. High pressure is firmly in control. This is by Sunday morning. A big, strong area of high pressure, not allowing any disturbed weather in our direction. It is going to be quite tranquil, quite lovely. Get out there and enjoy it. This is going to be some fine November weather. You got to go all the way out to next Wednesday before anything makes it east of the Mississippi River. So quite an interesting and calm weather pattern. To open November, we are getting off on the mild side of things, and it looks like rain is going to be something that is going to be sorely lacking in this pattern over the next 7 to 10 days.